My dear students, I am very sure you all might have completed the work which I gave you. आप सब लोगों ने वो सब काम कर लिया है. So now we are going to start exercise 1.1. The first question of exercise 1.1 is very important. इस तरह के 3 क्वेश्चन पूरी बुक में है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पार्ट 2 and then one is example number 5 on page number 14. So I will tell you both these questions and then I will give you some homework also today. Okay. Let us see what is the question. The question is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. And the question is use the appropriate property to solve this question. We can solve this question without property also, but we will have to solve it with the property. If you will solve it without property, simply multiply the fractions and add the fraction, then you are not going to get any marks. फिर आपको इस पर कोई marks मिलेगा नहीं. आंसर तो सही होगा लेकिन आपको marks नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है. So it is very important how to solve this question. We are going to use two properties in this question. One is commutativity of the rational numbers and other is distributivity of addition or subtraction will be used in this question. Okay. So first of all, what you will have to see ki where are the two terms, which two terms are common in this whole question. There are how many terms are there? There are 3 terms in this question, and out of those 3 terms, 2 terms are having one rational number common. आपको क्या ढूंढना है कि पूरी 3 टर्म के में से कौन सी 2 टर्म है जिसमें एक रेशनल नंबर कॉमन है. तो अभी हमें 3 टर्म में से रेशनल नंबर कॉमन कहाँ दिख रहा है? 3/5. 3/5 इज द कॉमन रेशनल नंबर. सो यू कीप these two rational numbers, these two terms together. So as you can see in the second term, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 5. Here I have applied this property commutativity. 3 by 5 दोनों में पीछे हो गया plus 5 by 2. Now I have taken 3 by 5 common. Once 3 by 5 is common, what is left? Minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 6. And thereafter 5 by 2 is there, 5 by 2 is left outside the bracket. What I can do now? I will add minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 6. So it will become, after taking LCM, it become minus 4 plus minus 1, and hence I got 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. If there are two numbers which can be cancelled in multiplication, that we can cancel. So I have cancelled 3 and 6, 5 and 5. In the second last term, I got minus 1 by 2 and plus 5 by 2. And now on adding it, I got 4 by 2, and on solving 4 by 2, I got 2. So this way, I have used two properties, commutativity and distributivity, to solve this question. Let me explain this once again to you. मैं फिर से एक बार आपको समझा रहा हूँ ताकि आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए. And then you could solve the questions which I will give you. So what I am going to look for, मैं इन 3 टर्म में से 2 टर्म ढूंढ रहा हूँ जिसमें कोई भी रेशनल नंबर कॉमन है. And that common rational number is 3/5. So जिस टर्म में 3/5 आ रहा है मैंने उन दोनों को पास लिख लिया. minus 2 by 3 into 3/5 minus 1 by 6 into 3/5, और जो तीसरी टर्म है 5 by 2 उसको बाद में लिख लिया. Now I have taken 3/5 कॉमन. 3/5 मैंने कॉमन निकाल लिया. तो पहली टर्म में 3/5 कॉमन निकालने के बाद minus 2 by 3 बचा, दूसरी टर्म में बचा minus 1 by 6, और तीसरी टर्म 5 by 2, वो 5 by 2 बाहर लिख दिया मैंने. अब minus 2 by 3 और minus 1 by 6 को हम ऐड कैसे करेंगे? एलसीएम लेकर. तो एलसीएम लेकर मैंने ऐड कर लिया जिसका आंसर आया minus 5 by 6. 3/5, 5 by 6 में जो भी कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है उनको कैंसिल किया. 3 से 6, 5 से 5. I got minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. I solved them. I got 4 by 2, 4 by 2 solved. I got 2. I'm very sure कि now it is damn clear in your mind. Let us see the second part of it and then I will give you the questions. So the question is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. 2 by 5 मैंने कॉमन निकाल लिया. 3 by 5 कॉमन निकालने के बाद minus 2 by 3 बचा, दूसरी टर्म में 5 by 2 वो 5 by 2 बाहर लिख दिया मैंने. अब minus 2 by 3 और minus 1 by 6 में जो भी कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है उनको कैंसिल किया. 3 से 6, 5 से 5. I got minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. I solved them. I got minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. I got 2. I'm very sure कि now it is damn clear in your mind. Let us see the second part of it and then I will give you the questions. So the question is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. फिर से हमें वही ढूंढना है कि दो टर्म जिसमें कोई रेशनल नंबर कॉमन है. सो अगेन मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में वह वही होगा कि फर्स्ट और थर्ड टर्म में हमें रेशनल नंबर कॉमन मिलेगा. सो 2/5 इंटू -3/7 एंड 1/14 इंटू 2/5. तो मैंने वही किया, 2/5 वाली दोनों टर्म एक साथ लिख ली और 1/6 इंटू 3/2 लास्ट में. And if there is anything can be cancelled, that I have cancelled. 3 and 6 have been cancelled there, so that I have solved. And from the first two terms, I have taken 2/5 common. So what left? -3/7 and plus 1/14. Then I have solved them by taking LCM. 7 and 14 का LCM 14, -6 plus 1. Overall I get 2/5 into -5/14 and -1/4 is the solution of third term. Here I cancelled them, and what is left with me? -1/7 -1/4. I have taken the LCM, and then I got -4/7 -4 -7 upon 28, and the answer is 11/28. I am very sure both the questions are damn clear in your mind. Now it is your homework for today, that solve example number 5, and I am giving you few extra questions. One is written here below and 4 questions are here. So for today, solve all these 5 questions in your fair notebook. Tomorrow I will tell you the answer of these questions, and then we will solve the rest of the questions of this exercise. Till then, complete your homework, enjoy your day, stay home, stay healthy. Good day.